That's really cool. Nice. Hello. That is really funny. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing on this glorious day? Holy cow. This is awesome. Oh boy. That's really cool. Nice. Hello. That is really funny. Did you see that? That's like a baby cop car. We'll go over here. I wonder if people are concerned. Good Lord. Y'all can fuck off, Turismos. I ain't got no time for that shit. Yeah, so a weird little start to the vlog, let's say. You know, this guy's cruising in his F-150. I am going to pass him for sure. Oh, Jiminy Crickets, this guy is driving like a little bitch. Yep. I'm not gonna wait for him. Yes. Gave it a half a bean there. Let me try to make this light. Just like so. Haha. Moves are happening. And we'll just stop right here. That's right. What a beautiful day. Today, I literally was so productive. It's insane. I got so much shit done. Unbelievable. I'm legit proud of myself. I can legit like fuck off today and not feel guilty about anything because I fucking did it. Because I fucking done did it. Great day. A lot of things done. I basically did everything I wanted to do and then some. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see what's happening on the B, Q, E. Let's see if I can baby Jesus it today or if it's gonna be a biatch. Let's see if I can baby Jesus it today. Yes, so far, so good. A little baby Jesus here. A little baby Jesus there. No pole 9. Good. So we'll kind of just go to the right a little bit. Just like so. And then we'll switch to the left. Just like this. And then we're going to have to slow down a little bit because you know, people, even though there's no traffic, they like to come up with a, you know, like to come up with you know, little holdups for no motherfucking reason at all. Look at these savages. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I don't even know what to do with my fucking self. It's so nice out right now. Damn it. I have a meeting I have to go to at 7:30, so my whole damn day is kind of like broken up a little bit, you know, which is unfortunate. Don't want to go too fast here because there's oftentimes pole 9 right there. No pole 9. God damn, what the fuck is going on here? Why am I so wide open? Why am I so wide open today? I don't get it. What the fuck is going on? Yes, this is by far the best commute ever. Look how glorious and quick this was. Yes. Huge fan. Beep, beep. It's because of that button. Ever since I installed the secret button, that one right there, things have been better. Things have been better. Like, look at this dude. We're gonna get ahead here because it's 3 lanes, not 2. There we are. That was I don't know what you call this. Fucking madness. Madhouse City. Madhouse grooves. Because that was I didn't even have time to really get into anything. Son of a bitch. What the fuck is this school bus doing here though? That's what I want to know. This is not school bus country. Definitely not school bus land. Oh brother, come on school bus, fucking do it. Go ahead. That's good. Anywho, boys and girls, I will talk to you later. This vlog, not much action besides just like the brap rap kind. You know, I did the brap, but that's it. Come on, boy. Really, dude? What are you doing? For the love of potatoes. Go ahead. For the love of sweet potatoes and fucking crispy cheese. Oh, that was a lock. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.